Hello guys, PLC programming and automation. Today we're going to do a simple program using this software and it's very amazing. So let's get started. Okay, so we are doing a control for direct online start. Okay, so let me explain to you how to draw. We need a connector. Okay, then we need a neutral connector, it is here. Then we also need a relay. Okay, we bring a relay also here, which is, then we also bring normally close, contact, then we normally open contact, then we bring also the contactor, then we also gonna bring an auxiliary contact. Okay, so this is how it is. So we are now going to assemble our components. Okay, so we bring supply line. Okay, then okay, for the meantime, let me change this. Okay, supply line. Okay, then we bring the fuse. Okay, then we bring a positive or supply line. Okay, then this is the overload relay. You need to name it. Okay, so don't forget you need to label your contacts. So we do it F1. Okay, then we bring a line. Then we bring stop push button. Okay, then we bring the line. Okay, then we bring start push button. Okay, then we bring a line. Then we bring the contactor also here. Then we're going to bring the neutral. Okay, so this is it. Alright, then we bring also the hold on contact. Alright, so let's quickly name them. Then we do it S1, then the push button, do it S2. Okay, then we also auxiliary contact will be KM1, then the contactor KM1. Okay, so guys, this is how we do the control for direct online. Okay, so you just try to simulate it. Okay, so when you energize the start push button, you see that the contactor is energized. Okay, and then the overload relay. Okay, the overload relay can also goes off when it detects a hit. Okay, so you start, then you push the stop button, then it goes off. So this is how we do the control. And if you want to learn more about controls, how to build electrical panels, industrial controls, kindly write to me in the comment section. And if you want to support me with this video, you can also share your comment, and then you also send me a heart. Thank you, and God bless us all.